Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about the super versus super with parenthesis. So what is the difference between them? Super is used that calls the parent method, right? And it passes the all the same number of arguments to the parent methods. But super with parenthesis that calls the parent method but it does not pass the arguments. Let me show you with an example. Suppose I have defined this parent class and this is child class. Okay, I have created one method here that is expecting two arguments. I have defined a child method that is also expecting two arguments. Now I am calling this super, okay, but I am not passing here any argument like name and age. Okay, so I am just calling this super and it will call this parent method and these argument will automatically pass here. Okay, and this argument will be printed here, name and age. Now let me run this. Okay, now I'm calling this, creating this object and passing Nitesh and age. See, my name is Nitesh and age is 27. So this 27 is coming here and it is printing and Nitesh name here. Super is calling parent method. This super is calling greeting, the same method name. It should be a same method name. It is calling parent method and passing this argument in the parent. So that's the purpose of super. Now let me talk about the super with parenthesis. It calls the super method but without passing the argument. Suppose I have defined this method, the same method. Now parent is not expecting the any argument and child is expecting the two argument. Okay, you have, for example, the purpose of this method is to define greet hello world, but now you want this method to call here and you have overridden this method in the child classes with some different functionalities, like you have defined this method with two arguments that this method will be overridden here, right? Now you also want this method to be called, right? So how you can call this one? You can call this method with calling the super, and if you define this open and close parenthesis, then it will not pass any of the argument to this parent. Now let me show you. Okay, I'm creating this one and calling this. We are passing the argument and it is calling this super, and see, we are able to call this method without passing the argument. Now we are able to call this one. So that's the simple difference between super and super with parenthesis. Thank you.